Hello friends, are you or have you been a braces wearer and you are experiencing certain things that is pinpointing out hurting you? I am not speaking about the brackets that generally hurt you post your orthodontic visit, but the wires that has come out because you have been biting on something hard or the wire just popped out of nowhere. And it has been difficult for you to reach your dentist or to get in touch with him and don't really know what has to be done, then you are watching the right video. Come friends, today we are going to discuss on something which is to be followed in a quick emergency state. But the first thing that is very much important is that you be cautious. If you are able to at least talk to your dentist or an orthodontist, do definitely do that and then only follow these results. Please do not follow any of this to remove your braces or brackets. I'm mentioning it, please do not follow it if you are wanting to remove your braces or the wires in the brackets. Please visit an orthodontist, consult properly and then get rid of your braces or bracket wires. Even in the conditions in which this pinpointed wire can be treated by an orthodontist, please do visit. Do not follow this at-home resorts if you are able to reach your dentist or an orthodontist. This is to be only followed in the emergency conditions.
Subscribe to my channel to get updates on dental health and dental facts.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. And here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Friends, today as I told you that we are going to speak on how to clear or get rid of that pinpoint wire which has been hurting your soft tissues, cheeks or gums. The first thing is that your orthodontist always provides you with an ortho wax. So take a small amount of the ortho wax. If the wire has been pinpointed, press it inside, place this ortho wax over it. I'm showing this in the video, please follow it. Now in this video it has been placed just to show how the wax is to be placed. Whenever and wherever the wire is out, you are going to make sure that you are pressing the wire inside towards the braces or the bracket and then placing this ortho wax. And I'm sure that your pain will get relief. The next resort is that you can use tweezers or an eyebrow pliers as shown in the picture with the help of, if you can see yourself on the brackets in the mirrors, then you can yourself do it or take some help from the people who are around you. Let them wear gloves and they can definitely help you. So there are holes in the bracket in which this wire goes. So if you can clearly see with the tweezer or the plier, hold the wire, try to insert it in the holes and fix it with the ortho wax. Third is ligature wires. So ligature wires, they look something like this. So they are extra wires that come out and they are quite thin. In such conditions, if you are having this kind of wires in your mouth, then you can use a pencil which has a rubber top, which has a rubber behind it. So with this, you're going to just give a gentle pressure and press this ligature wire inside. If the ligature wire is pointing upwards, then make sure that you're pointing it downwards and inwards. If the ligature wire is downwards, then make sure you're pointing it upwards and inwards. Now, in these conditions, make sure you're not applying too much pressure because while applying pressure to this ligature wire, there are chances that the whole wire pops out. The treatment will get down to zero. So make sure that you are applying very gentle pressures. The last resort, which rarely to be is followed, but if the pain is severe and you're not able to get relief from the above three, then and then only follow. Please make sure you're not hurting your soft tissues or your gums while doing this. That is using a nail cutter. Your wires can be broken down easily with the help of a nail cutter. So if there are any pinpointed things, you can see it easily. Here I would suggest please take help of some elder person and then only do it. Please do not look in the mirror because mirror images are difficult to gain and judge on how much far and where are you exactly cutting. So take help of some elder person at home. Tell them to gently retract your cheek. See where the pinpointed wire has come out from. The last area from where the wire has come out and where it is hurting you, hold the nail cutter and press it. While pressing it or cutting the wire, make sure you are not hurting or cutting down anywhere to your soft parts or soft tissues. So be gentle and carefully do this resort. It is not recommended to tamper with your braces, but these are the things which you can do in the emergency conditions. I would still say and suggest talk to your dentist or an orthodontist, or if there is any dentist who is available nearby where you are residing or you're working or in the environment you are in. So just visit them. They can easily provide this help to you. So make sure that you first talk to your dentist or an orthodontist. I'm repeating this n number of times, I know, but it is very much important. Please do not follow all these home instructions if the dentist is easily available. These conditions are only to be followed in the emergency state. If you have any questions related to your braces, brackets, or any other dental issues, then please mention it in the comment section below. I'm here to answer it, and I'll definitely make sure that I am available for your help 24/7. Please like, comment and share my videos if you're loving my work. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Press the bell icon so that you get notified every Monday I post a video. I wish you a very healthy and a happy smile. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay over fit. Thank you.